Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Stephanie and I do food related content here on my channel. I do what's for dinner videos once a week, and I also do grocery hauls and other food related content. So if that is something that would interest you, I would love it if you would hit that red subscribe button and join my YouTube family. So today I'm really excited because I'm starting a new series here on my channel called Sweets Sunday. Every Sunday I'm going to be sharing with you a new and delicious dessert recipe that I've discovered and made for my family. Now I'm only going to be sharing with you the desserts that we've tried and loved. And so if you're interested in that, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you're notified when I post those videos. And if you're looking for those fancy, complicated desserts, then this is the wrong place for you because my channel is all about easy and simple recipes that you can do right at home. Now, you will probably see my kids pop up once in a while in these videos because when I bake desserts, they love to give me a hand in the kitchen. So yeah, let's just head on into the kitchen and get started with our first dessert. So the first recipe I have for you this week is Oreo Cheesecake Cookies. I saw these on TikTok and I thought they looked so good. I love cheesecake and I really like Oreos, so I figured I would really like these, and I was right. They were a huge hit with my family. They also didn't last for very long. By the end of the day, they were all gone. So I really hope you will like these too. To make these, you're going to need 8 ounces of cream cheese, 2 sticks or 1 cup of softened unsalted butter, 1.5 cups of sugar, 2 cups of flour, and 20 double stuffed Oreos. So now that we've got our ingredients, let's get started. So in a bowl, I'm going to add the cream cheese, the butter, and the sugar. And I'm going to mix this until it becomes smooth. So here you're seeing my little helper's hands joining in to help. All right, so it looks good. So now my helper is going to gradually add in the flour for me. And then we're going to toss the Oreos into a separate bowl, but of course we have to grab one to eat first.
Smiley.
Yummy?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so now we're going to break our Oreo cookies into large chunks, and I'm gonna do this by using a fork. So Alex wanted to put on his little chef outfit to help out with this next part. Doesn't he look adorable? I got this outfit off of Amazon. I'll have it linked down below in case you guys are interested. Then I'm going to fold the cookies into the dough. All right, so now I'm going to cover this and place it in the fridge for 30 minutes. And while that is chilling in the fridge, I'm going to preheat the oven at 350. So while we're waiting on that, here is a quick sneak peek at next week's dessert. Daniel said it is now his favorite and asked that I make it again for his birthday coming up. So be sure to tune in next Sunday to see how we make this, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're notified when I upload the video. Okay, so the dough is now nice and cool. So now using an ice cream scoop, I'm going to place the dough on the baking sheet that I've lined with parchment paper. I'm just going to flatten them out using the back of the spoon. Now I'm going to pop these in the oven and bake them for about 15 minutes. It all depends on your oven, so just make sure to keep an eye on them. Here they are, fresh out of the oven. Now I don't have a cooling rack. I really need to get one, so I'm just going to transfer them onto a plate. These cookies were really good. If you like cheesecake and Oreos, then I'm sure you would like these too. The recipe said to cook them for 15 minutes, but with my oven, I only ended up cooking them for about 12 minutes, and they came out perfect. These were super easy to make, but next time instead of using a fork to crush the Oreos, I'll probably place them in a Ziploc bag and crush them with a rolling pin or a heavy pan. I think that would make it a lot easier. These cookies are soft and chewy, and they only require 5 ingredients to make and are addictive. I will most definitely be making these again. Alright you guys, so that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed making this dessert with me. Let me know in the comments down below if you decide to make these. They were extremely yummy and I hope you will like them too. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're notified of future videos. And as always, I will see you again in my next one. Bye guys.